Oh!
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are going to unbox a new car. This is the Arrma Granite Voltage 1/10 RTR. So we're going to unbox this thing and get right out to a skateboard park and dig right into it. So let's get at it. Woo! Woo! All right, let's unbox these things. Just some notables. They have an EC3 connector for the battery in the ESC. It comes with batteries, which is awesome. We didn't think about that, but it comes with batteries. It has an 1800 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. We're gonna swap that out for a LiPo. Also, it comes with a transmitter, receiver, charger, which we won't use, but it's supposed to be waterproof. We're not going to take that for granted. We're going to not run it in a mud puddle. We already had problems with that. It's already ready to run, so awesome. It has a 540 brushed motor in it, which I may have some upgrades coming for that later. We're going to make this thing fun. Then we're done. So we're going to unbox this thing and get to ripping. Let's get at it. All right, for more specifics, link will be down in the description for all the specifications.
Check it out.
Check it out. Got a remote. Let's see what this thing looks like. Honestly, it looks pretty generic, which I guess it doesn't matter as long as it runs, it works. But it actually feels pretty cheap, to be honest. But I'm going to use it anyway. And for the grand reveal, there we go. Man, I really like the looks of this thing though. Got big squishy tires because we're going to be doing some jumping. Looks pretty sturdy. I mean, it's pretty beefy. It has a plastic chassis, but I think that'll do fine. You have your wheel chuck, you have your shock spacers, and your manual. And then, all right, we have your charger. We're actually going to use the Venom over here. And if you missed that video, go ahead and click up here in the corner and watch that because we did a good review on that charger. It is amazing. Then you got your batteries. All right, look at that. Okay, here's your ESC. You got your 1800 milliamp battery, your steering servo. So that's pretty much it. It looks nice. It's pretty simple.
Spin her around the other way there. There you go.
All right, here's your battery.
Pop that thing out.
Your battery compartment. They leave it open so that way you can actually fit a bigger battery in there, which we are going to use, a LiPo. But for now, we'll use this one.
Got your 540 motor in there.
Yeah, 540 motor. That is pretty much it.
Looks good.
Looks good.
That looks pretty
I mean, it's
sturdy.
It's pretty solid. I mean, it's plastic, but hopefully that means it won't bend or break. But we're going to test that out today. Okay, we went ahead and swapped the battery out to a LiPo, which we also went ahead and changed all the connectors over to Deans because that's how we roll. But now, something I did forget to mention, that is only two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive, but still, we're going to have some fun. So now, we're going to go out to the skate park and start ripping. Let's go have some fun. Enough with the unboxing and the tech chatter and garbage and all that stuff. Let's go. Let's go have some fun. Hold up. Before you go any further, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up because that's how we grow this channel and we want to continue bringing you great content. So, like this. Let's get back to the video. All right, we're out at the skate park. It is raining a little bit, but you know what? We're not going to let that stop us. We're going to do it anyway. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to rip up this skate park. So let's get into it. Let's get at it. Let's have a lot of fun. I can't wait. I've never done this before. We're going to do some jumps and everything. We'll probably wreck a few times, but whatever. Let's get at it. Oh shoot, man, that's slick. I just slipped right off of it. Oh, nice. Oops. Whoa.
It's gone. I wonder if it landed on its wheels.
Yeah, I got it. So far, these things are pretty durable.
We're gonna break it.
And these little things are fun.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're cheap, man, too. Check down the link in the description where you can get you one of these things. These things are a blast.
Oh, yeah.
They're inexpensive, too. They'll be great for kids, man.
Good Christmas present. And they're easily upgradable because I'm gonna do the same thing to mine.
Yeah, I think they need upgraded a little bit. Oh,
Oh yeah.
Oh, he saved it.
Man, they can do some donuts on the wet ground, the wet pavement.
All right, here we go.
Oh.
He flipped it again. Daniel, you suck at driving.
Give me a push. Yeah.
That's hard to get that rail grind. I'm gonna give up on it.
No, I can get it. Oh, that was pretty close.
I don't think you could do that again.
Oh, challenge accepted. Yeah, I did it.
All right, we jumped the skate ramp into the fence. So I lost power. I thought I killed the ARRMA. But check this out. It just came unplugged from the motor.
Yep.
So we're just going to plug her back in. Make sure it's seated and everything. And it's under the rubber booty.
All right, we got it working. Put the lid back on it.
Put the
body back on it.
body back on it.
Back to.
Hey, one thing I want to say is if anybody knows what these other two little holes are for, there's no other mounting brackets here. If you know what these are for, and there's some up here in the front too, let us know down in the comments, as we don't know unless this body will fit other trucks.
Yeah, it could. I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, throw down in the comments what that is.
Yeah.
We don't know.
We don't know. This is our first ARRMA, so
Yep. First ARRMA, probably not the last because these things are fun.
yeah, this thing's taking a beating on the concrete. Too bad it's slick.
Only
It's the
two-wheel
rain.
drive. If it was four-wheel drive, probably wouldn't matter. But it's still a blast. Even in the rain, this thing, it calms right up this thing. Not from a dead stop, but if you get it going, it jumps. It's pretty awesome.
And it slings water on my glasses.
I'm enjoying it. Fail. It's time for an epic montage.
That was awesome.
Oh! Oh, nice. Okay, we've had a blast today running on this skate park. It's so much fun. Even in the rain, it still jumps and wrecks, and it's a blast. We really like these ARRMAs. We're gonna be upgrading these suckers, and who knows what we'll get in the future. We may even get some other ARRMA products, so stay tuned for that. But that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And with that said, God bless you, God bless America. Be empowered. Out.